This is the introduction to the book Make Electronics by Charles Platt. And we had the elements of this simple circuit is made of a source battery, 9 volts. Then you had the alligator clip. This is the positive side, which is this narrow hole there. That's the positive. It runs like this, and we connect it to an LED light emitting diode. The longer leg and the short leg is going to go the negative side. Now, connected to the negative sides, we have a resistor 1.5K. If we don't have this resistor, this light bulb will blow up. So we want to, with the resistor, we want to reduce the amount of voltage going through this LED. The negative side goes to the golden part, and the one with the first color, which in this case is brown band, is going to the positive side, to the negative side. Sorry, to the negative side of the positive side of the resistor. So let's go in there and see what happened. As you can see, we're gonna activate or close the circuit, and what we do, we just delicate, we touch the left leg, and we got the light bulb. See right there. So what is happening here, from the positive side, which is on the right hand side with the long leg of the LED, it closes the circle there. The electricity current travel from there to the positive side of the resistor, which is the brown side, and exiting the resistor in the golden side, golden band. Then you have the black alligator clip that goes to the negative part of the battery. This book is really good. I recommend it. It's called Make Electronics 3rd edition by Charles Platt. And I will bring you some more of these experiments as I go along. I found this book very, very easy to understand electronics. All right. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.